Welcome to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's game is called Stampede, so make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. In this activity, you're only going to need a few items. So if you have a balloon, great, and then you're going to need some string. If not, you can always modify it and use a plastic bag. I used a plastic bag, blew some air in it, and then I did a hole punch right here, and then I just put my string on top. What you're going to do is put these around your ankle, one around your right or left ankle, and then if you have a partner, it's even better. In this activity, your objective is to stomp your opponent's balloon or Ziploc bag. So stay tuned and we'll go and demonstrate this in just a moment. Now that I have my Ziploc bag around my ankle, I need to do a couple of different things. I need to maneuver, I need to stay away from my opponent trying to step on it. They're going to try to step on it and pop it. If they pop it, then I lose that game. So I need to be able to juke, shift my body, I can spin. I can do anything to avoid my opponent from popping my own balloon r/Ziploc bag. So stay tuned, and then Jordan and I will go on and demonstrate this activity. All right, so in this game Stampede, again, my job is to stomp Jordan's balloon as best as I can. I want to be the first one to stomp his balloon. He wants to be the first one to pop my Ziploc bag. Whoever does that first wins. Now, I want you guys to drop a comment below. Who do you think is going to win this first activity? Is it going to be Jordan, or is it going to be me? Right now, I'm like 0 for 10 against Jordan, so somebody support me, okay? All right, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And then pop. Oh. All right, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, go. All right, well, we hope you enjoyed that game, Stampede, and I was unsuccessful once again. Hey, we had fun, we were active, we were moving. I got a little sweat on just a little bit. Again, a few items that you're gonna need: balloon or Ziploc bag, and some string. You can use a shoelace. You guys can use some plastic bags, grocery bags. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys drop a comment below. How did you guys play the game? And what did you enjoy best about the video? So take care, until next time.